Hello everybody!
So today we're going to make amazing Italian traditional homemade food meatball spaghetti.
With my grandma recipe.
As always.
Alright. So what are we gonna have to make meatball today, Jenny?
For the meatball we have Parmesan cheese, beef, 1 egg, 2 garlic, sausage, and this bread. You can find it anywhere. This brand, even Family Mart. And flour, salt, black pepper.
And here?
This is for the tomato sauce.
Okay.
Of course, we have to use the tomato sauce and spaghetti, salt, and olive oil. And the most important thing, rosemary.
To give some
flavor, and also the garlic. Okay?
So, we ready, Jenny?
Yes, I'm so ready.
Okay, Jenny, let's make... Where's Jenny? Okay. So, let's make now our meatball. Are you ready?
Oh, it's already? Okay.
Okay, let's start. So
we need to make a meatball. Okay, let's make the balls.
My balls.
Balls.
Okay.
You have to cut that one.
Yes, boss. You can, in the meantime, break the egg. Bravissima, Jenny. Yes.
$15 grams.
1.5. Yes. So I'm gonna cut the garlic, okay?
Two garlics.
So we cut the bread, really small piece, right?
Guys, don't forget the milk, okay? We need to use some milk.
To make it softer, right?
Yes, with the bread.
Just half glass of milk.
Yes.
So please, let's start. All right, guys.
Okay.
So our big meatball is ready, and now we're gonna make our small meatball. We're gonna show our friends how to make it.
Yep.
So just take a little part, make it round with your hands, really soft and nice. Pass in the flour, and it's ready to be cooked. All right, Jenny, good job, huh? Our meatballs.
As always.
Yes, our meatballs are ready, and now we can cook it. Let's go. So, let's cook our meatball. Some olive oil. Are you okay, Jenny? Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Garlic. And then we put the meatball. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we will turn upside down the meatball to let them cook also on the other side.
So now we have to put some wine, half glass. So the water is boiling. We're going to pour the spaghetti. I really love it, spaghetti, is because you can use this, make the crust, and also to hit people. Okay, so let's put the spaghetti. So here I have 1 kilo spaghetti. But to be honest, today we're 5 people. Usually we can just use the half kilo, but we're like packed. Okay, I'm going to put now to the water. Just roll don't forget the salt. So usually we put like 50 grams salt on the water. So guys, remember, never trust the cooking time on the package, okay? So every time when I cooking the spaghetti, I have to check the, the taste. So now it's around 9 minutes. I going to taste. It's almost done. So as long as it tastes like it's good, right?
All right, Jenny. So
Finally.
our meatballs are ready to eat.
Yes, let's do it. Oh my god.
Thank God. So my grandma recipe works, right?
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you. Amazing. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to finish my meatball spaghetti. I'll see you next week, okay?
Bye bye, guys.
Bye bye from Jenny.
And G.